Welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're diving into the ultimate kimchi fried rice debate: egg, cheese, or spam. What's the best topping? This isn't just about tossing something on top. It's about flavor, texture, and creating a true comfort food masterpiece. Each topping brings something unique: the luscious egg, the creamy cheese, the crispy, salty spam. We'll break down the pros, cons, and pleasures of each, so you can choose your champion. Grab your aprons and let's settle this once and for all. Let the showdown begin. First up, the undisputed champion in many hearts, the classic egg. We're talking about the humble yet incredibly versatile chicken egg. It's a breakfast staple, a baking essential, and as we're about to see, a game changer when it comes to elevating a dish like kimchi fried rice. Don't underestimate it. When cooked right, it's transformative. It can take a dish from simple to sublime, from ordinary to extraordinary. The key, of course, is in the execution. A perfectly fried sunny-side-up egg with crispy edges and a runny yolk is pure magic. It's a culinary masterpiece in its simplest form. The glistening yolk, the slightly browned whites, it's a feast for the eyes even before you take a bite. That yolk isn't just for show. It's a rich, creamy sauce that coats every grain of rice, transforming the texture and flavor profile of the entire dish. It's nature's perfect condiment, taming the heat and tang of the kimchi. The yolk acts as a buffer, mellowing out the intense flavors and creating a more harmonious experience for your palate. The contrast of crispy egg white and velvety yolk creates a harmony that elevates the whole dish. It's a textural symphony, a dance of soft and crisp that keeps you coming back for more. The egg doesn't overpower, it enhances, bringing all the bold flavors together. It's the ultimate team player, working in perfect synergy with the other ingredients to create something truly special. Whether you go sunny side up, poached, offering a delicate and elegant touch, or even gently scrambled, providing a creamy and comforting blanket, the key is a runny yolk, never overcooked. An overcooked yolk is a tragedy, a culinary crime that should be avoided at all costs. We want that liquid gold. Kimchi fried rice is bold and loud, a riot of flavor that can sometimes be overwhelming, but the egg acts as a moderator, balancing spice and acidity. It's the voice of reason in a chaotic symphony of flavors. Each bite is a journey: spicy gochujang, adding a fiery kick, tangy kimchi, providing that signature fermented flavor, savory rice, the foundation upon which all the other flavors are built, and then, boom, the creamy yolk ties it all together. It's the grand finale, the moment everything comes together in perfect harmony. Simplicity is its strength. There's no need for fancy sauces or complicated techniques. The beauty of this dish lies in its straightforwardness. The egg stands proud, honest, and pure. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the simplest things are the most satisfying. Those crispy edges, little treasures that add surprise and texture. They're the hidden gems that make each bite a delightful experience. The egg isn't just a topping, it's part of the dish's DNA, an integral component that cannot be overlooked, the benchmark for all other toppings. It sets the standard, the gold standard, for what a topping should be. Visually, it's stunning. Vibrant rice, a kaleidoscope of colors and textures, green onions, adding a fresh and herbaceous note, and that golden yolk. It's the star of the show, the focal point that draws you in and makes you want to dive right in. The richness of the yolk cools the spice, letting you savor every bite. It allows you to appreciate the nuances of the dish without being overwhelmed by the heat. Is the egg the champion? It's a strong contender, classic, reliable, and always delicious. It's the comfort food we all crave, the dish we turn to when we need a little bit of happiness in our lives. If you want creamy richness and perfect balance, the egg is for you. It's the ultimate indulgence, a treat for your taste buds that will leave you feeling completely satisfied. But don't get too comfortable. There are two more contenders vying for the crown. The competition is fierce and the stakes are high. The bar is set high. The egg has proven its worth, but can the other toppings measure up? Can the others compete? Do they have what it takes to dethrone the king of toppings? Let's find out. The battle for the best kimchi fried rice topping is about to begin. Now let's introduce a bit of a culinary maverick, a game changer in the world of kimchi fried rice: cheese. Yes, you heard that right. We're diving into the creamy, savory depths of cheese-infused kimchi fried rice. I know, some purists might call it sacrilege, a betrayal of Korean culinary traditions. But before you dismiss it entirely, hear me out. Open your mind and prepare your taste buds for an unexpected yet utterly delightful experience. Now, let's be clear. We're not talking about those individually wrapped, suspiciously orange plastic cheese slices. No, no, no. This is about elevating the dish, not downgrading it. We're talking about the good stuff. Think creamy, fresh mozzarella, its delicate flavor, a perfect counterpoint to the spicy kimchi, or a sharp, aged cheddar, adding a tangy bite that cuts through the richness of the rice. And who could resist provolone? That mild, slightly sweet cheese that gives you that epic, Instagram-worthy cheese pull. Picture this. Hot, steaming kimchi fried rice bubbling away in the pan. You create a little well in the center, a cozy nest for the cheesy goodness to come. Then a generous handful of shredded cheese. Cover the pan and let it melt slowly, transforming into a blanket of gooey perfection. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. The cheese brings a creamy, savory blanket, enveloping each grain of rice in its warm embrace. It's a totally different experience from the egg's richness, offering a contrasting yet complementary flavor profile. It balances the spice and acidity of the kimchi with its dairy fat and salt, creating a harmonious blend of flavors, mellowing the heat and making the dish ultra-comforting, a warm hug in a bowl. The texture is a playground, a delightful mix of sensations that keeps you coming back for more. Soft, fluffy rice, crunchy, tangy kimchi, and chewy, stringy cheese, all mingling together in perfect harmony. This is fusion at its finest, a celebration of culinary creativity, where Korean flavors meet Western indulgence, creating a dish that's both familiar and excitingly new. The key is balance, finding that sweet spot where all the elements come together in perfect equilibrium. Enough cheese to provide that creamy texture and satisfying pull, but not so much that it smothers the kimchi, overpowering its unique flavor. And here's a bonus. Those crispy cheese bits that form at the pan's edge. Little explosions of concentrated cheesy flavor that add an extra layer of deliciousness. Cheesy kimchi fried rice is the ultimate comfort food, a dish that satisfies on so many levels. Perfect for a cold, rainy night when you need something warm, comforting, and utterly delicious. Compared to the egg, cheese is bolder and louder. It makes a statement. A co-star, not a background player, demanding attention and adding its own unique personality to the dish. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cheese types. The possibilities are endless. Mozzarella for that irresistible pull, cheddar for a tangy kick, and Gruyere for a subtle nuttiness that adds depth and complexity. Each bite is a slightly different adventure, a surprise waiting to be discovered. Sometimes extra cheesy with long, satisfying cheese pulls. Sometimes more kimchi forward with a burst of spicy, fermented goodness. Visually, it's a showstopper, a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. Molten cheese, glistening and bubbling invitingly, vibrant red kimchi adding pops of color and flavor, and fresh green scallions adding a touch of freshness and vibrancy. Cheese offers a level of indulgence, a richness and decadence, and a satisfying chew that the egg simply can't match. It's a textural delight. It's admittedly less traditional than the egg, a departure from the classic Korean flavors. But food evolves, traditions are reinterpreted, and culinary boundaries are meant to be pushed. And in this case, this combo is a definite winner, a testament to the power of culinary innovation. The cheese contender is bold, decadent, and undeniably delicious, a worthy addition to the kimchi fried rice family. The battle for kimchi fried rice supremacy is heating up, and the stakes have never been higher. Last but not least, we have the underdog, Spam. Often misunderstood, sometimes maligned, but always ready to deliver a unique flavor punch. Forget the stereotypes that might cloud your judgment. When cooked right, Spam is a flavor powerhouse, a secret weapon in the kitchen, ready to elevate your kimchi fried rice to new heights. It's time to reconsider everything you thought you knew about this canned culinary icon. The key to unlocking Spam's potential lies in the preparation. Dice it into uniform cubes, ensuring each piece will cook evenly and achieve that perfect crispy exterior. Now, toss those little cubes into a hot, dry pan. No need for extra oil here. Spam has its own natural fats that will render beautifully as it cooks. Let it work its magic, allowing it to render its own fat, sizzling and transforming until it reaches that coveted golden and crispy perfection. Patience is key here. Don't rush the process. The result? Salty, meaty, crispy jewels, little nuggets of umami-rich goodness that are about to take your kimchi fried rice to a whole new dimension. These aren't just any ordinary additions, they transform the entire dish, infusing every grain of rice with their irresistible flavor. Spam brings a powerful punch of salt and a satisfying, audible crunch that elevates the textural experience. This is a totally different experience from the creamy richness of egg or the gooey pull of melted cheese. Spam offers a unique counterpoint, a bold and assertive flavor that stands its ground. The contrast is everything. It's what makes this dish so compelling and addictive. It's the dance of flavors on your palate, where spicy, sour kimchi meets the crispy, salty pork, creating a symphony of taste. But beyond the flavor, the texture is the true star, the element that keeps you coming back for more. You have the foundation of soft, fluffy rice, the satisfying chew of crunchy kimchi, and then those delightful surprise pops of crispy Spam, each bite a mini celebration of texture. Spam isn't just a mere topping sprinkled on for show. It's thoughtfully woven into the very fabric of the dish, enhancing every single bite with its unique character. It has deep and meaningful roots in Korean cuisine, a testament to its versatility and enduring appeal. You'll find it prominently featured in dishes like budae jjigae, the iconic Korean army stew, so its presence here in kimchi fried rice is not at all out of place. It's a natural fit. Unlike cheese, which can sometimes create a blanket of richness, Spam adds flavor in concentrated bursts, carefully keeping the rice light and fluffy, allowing the vibrant flavor of the kimchi to remain front and center, never overshadowed. The secret is to cook it right, achieve that deep, rich brown color, ensuring it's wonderfully crispy and absolutely never pale or flabby. That's the cardinal sin of Spam cookery. Spam kimchi fried rice is especially for those who crave a symphony of texture and those deeply savory, satisfyingly meaty bites. The final dish is nothing short of a masterpiece of contrasts, a culinary experience that engages all the senses. It's soft, it's crunchy, it's salty, it's spicy, and it's undeniably fresh. A harmonious blend of flavors and textures that work together in perfect unison. Spam brings a unique and compelling combination of both flavor and texture that's incredibly hard to resist, even for the most discerning palate. When it comes to kimchi fried rice toppings, Spam is undoubtedly a top-tier contender, a champion in its own right, no question about it. So, we have three incredible contenders, each brilliant and unique in their own special way, offering a different perspective on the classic kimchi fried rice. Now we're faced with the ultimate culinary conundrum. Which of these kimchi fried rice variations reigns supreme? The choice, my friends, is yours. The battle's over. Egg, cheese, or Spam. Three champions, three unique experiences. Which is the winner? That's up to you. Food is personal. Choose what excites your palate. Tell me in the comments. Team Egg, Team Cheese, or Team Spam? Defend your choice. There's no wrong answer, only delicious ones. If you enjoyed this showdown, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. Now, go make yourself a stunning bowl of kimchi fried rice. Cheers. See you next time. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.